Welcome back, guys. It's another beautiful day out on the farm.
Yeah, a little bit chilly.
Sad day though. It's the last day with the equipment. I think it's day 8 or 9 out here scraping away at this shop area, but it's gonna be nice.
We've been fortunate to have the few days of rain that we did.
Yeah, we really have been.
Yeah, but it's been muddy, man. We've been tromping in the mud. But today it finally started drying up and it's got to go away.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
well.
It's been a few days without rain and it's just the way it goes. But enough blibber blabber. We got to get to it. We don't have long with this equipment.
Yeah, let's get it.
Alrighty. Y'all enjoy. Well, guys, I still look pretty. Dad looks a little rough. I've been in the skid steer all day. It's a little easier on you.
Yeah, but I got my hairdo the other day, so I'm looking good.
Yep. It's been a heck of a day. We got a ton done, as you guys could see in the video.
Yeah, once you got that mud out of here, man.
Oh, man.
It got...
You know, it's been a sloppy mess for the past several days out here working.
And you can't grade mud. It
No.
just sloshes around.
But once we got down 10 inches, it's the perfect moisture content, really, because it's not dusty and it's digging so well.
Yeah, and something that we've learned, and I'm sure seasoned people know this, when they walk into a job, they can see how it's going to be.
Mm-hmm.
We stood here and looked at this, and I'm good at geometry. I did well in math. You did too. So, you know, we've been around construction forever, but we've never dug this stuff out like this.
Yeah.
And moved this much dirt to make
Yeah.
a big spot for a building on the side of a hill. Well, it looked like there was no way we could fit this building in and have room for. We want to probably put a lean-to on the side in the future. We might do it right away. I don't know. And then have the ground slope a certain way, and we wanted a certain distance out. You know, to make it look nice, and we're like, it's never going to happen. Not in here. We're going to have a wall. We're going to have to do a retaining wall, and we did not want a retaining wall. And once we got the dirt out of here,
getting it scraped down just changes the entire dynamic.
It does. When you have trees, especially these loblollies, they come up out of the ground and they start pushing the dirt back as they grow because they're so big, and the root systems go down like 5 foot, and they're just bulging the dirt around them, and the dirt might be 3 feet high around them sometimes. Most of them's 2 feet or so, but sometimes as much as 3 feet high. Well, you see all these mounds, even the smaller trees, you see these mounds of dirt around them, and your eye tends to look at that. And then where we've been running, where all that mud was, there's these big clumps, and your eye tends to look at the top of that. You don't
you're
really
always looking at the high points.
Yeah, so once we got all that mess out of here, got the trees out, and got the dirt where the roots were at out of here, it's like, oh wow, we can make this happen.
Yeah, it changed everything.
Yeah.
And we've still got a little bit. We left probably 5 or 6 inches because we didn't want to go too low, but we wanted to use this equipment as much as we could and rough it out as much as we could.
Get the whole area cleared out, get the slope basically where we wanted.
And we've got drainage, water running from each direction to help run it off the lot, hopefully. And then we'll come back with our tractor and box blade and fine tune it.
Yeah, that way I can walk around with a Transit, and he's going to box and just scrape a few inches here and a few inches there until we get it all nice and
just
flat.
Keep working all the high points and work it out. And this isn't like we need it perfectly dead flat. We're pouring a slab here. If there's a little roll in it, it's not the end of the world. We'll just little extra concrete go in there.
It's going to be level on top. That's what matters.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't follow the contour. We're in trouble.
Woo. Not a good garage then.
Yeah.
But I think it's going to work out really well. And we have, I know we've mentioned Franklin equipment a lot, but I can't tell you how nice it is to have equipment like this available.
Nice.
And yes, we paid for this. It was not, given to us like a lot of people have probably thought because we've mentioned them so many times. We're just grateful to have this kind of equipment available.
Yeah.
And the deal of pay for 2 days, get 11 is a no-brainer. I mean, we saved thousands of dollars by doing this.
Pronounce the name of that thing. Is it Wacker-Neuson?
Wacker-Neuson. It's German.
Yeah, German.
And this is the ST35 we've been running for the skid steer and an EZ53 for the Mini X. And the ST35, I think they're both right around 10,000, 11,000 pounds. We rented, if you check the video here, we rented the ST45. Yeah, it's floating up there above you. The ST45, which is a much bigger machine. And
that thing was a hoss.
Oh man, it is a powerhouse. Yeah. Awesome machine. But this ST35 did a phenomenal job.
It was perfect for what we were doing.
Yeah, it did a really good job. Yeah. And just, it's been a pleasure to run. Worked great.
It's like the BMW of the tractor world.
Yeah. Sad to see them go, but ready for the next holiday to get here so we can save a lot of money again.
Yeah, we're bargain hunters.
Yeah.
What's that price-conscious consumer thing?
Yeah, it's a cost-effective product for a price-conscious consumer.
Yeah, we look for cheap deal.
Yeah.
On good stuff.
Exactly. But, when you're doing what we're doing, trying to save money and be debt-free, you've got to look for those deals, and that's how you are able to do more things because you save money here and save money there. It adds up.
And it was a mud hole out here, and we're like, God, do we really want to rent these things? It's calling for rain half the time, And,
yeah.
But we said, we can't pass that deal. If we can just get 2 days, we got our money's worth.
Exactly.
Out of 11. So
and
we got a whole lot more.
Yeah, we've had a whole lot more than 2 days. Yeah. So it's paid off for sure.
Yeah.
And now we've got a place to put a shop. I'm probably going to put the shop in before we do the houses. So
probably
gives us somewhere, if we get it done, to store all of our material and equipment and just make life so much easier on ourselves.
Yeah, I might put a bed in there and call it home.
You could
I
do
don't
that.
know if the wife would be into that though.
Speaking of home, I think we're going to call it a day.
Yeah.
And it's time to go eat.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. You guys have a good one. Hope you've enjoyed this series. If you have, give us a big thumbs up for a like. Hit the subscribe button below. Bell next to the subscribe button so you get notifications when we post new videos. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And check back soon. We'll hopefully get started putting in a slab, get some concrete in those foundations, all kinds of fun stuff.
Oh, yeah. We got lots coming.
Have a good one, guys.
See you next time.